Hi, my name's Nong, and I'm going over this assignment. So my favorite assignment is the intro bio. I really like this intro because it opened up my eyes about how I view myself, and it also helped me understand who I am. And here is the code which did not launch, so I actually downloaded the file as well. I tried everything and it just will not work. And my least favorite would be this assignment. My least favorite assignment would be building this website because the code did not work and it took a few hours and I'm very frustrated. I think if we build this during the class, just in examples or something like that, maybe it would be easier for me to understand. The most effective would have to be the SQ4R. I think taking notes using this method is really useful because it helped me understand the content better. And here is this guy for the information. The least effective, I would have to say the wiki. Just posting on there and the thread, I think, is just a lot to go over and it's like clustered and sometimes we don't look through them all. But I think all of the assignments are effective. For the student perspective page, here are the 5 answers to the questions. I value the learning experience and the help from my classmates and teachers. Although it was difficult for me to complete my homework with my busy life, I felt like I was learning something new that I could use on a daily. I think I really did well with my math and essays and learning how to organize with this QUID class. The fear of making this website and writing a 7-page essay. Being proactive and completing assignments early would really help me next semester. The problems that I anticipated and plan to address is managing my busy schedule, personal life, and school. I'm planning on getting help from family and working more on being proactive. So this is the page that I built. So these are the tabs and so yeah, I really did enjoy this class and I feel like my favorite assignment here has to be this guy, most effective, probably note-taking here, and least effective. Again, I think all of them are very effective and I really enjoy this class.